Out there, YouTube. Got this package right here in the mail, man. About to be installing this into the Silverado today. It's a 10in subwoofer. This right here has the amp attached to it, man. I want to get something slim, something I can fit underneath the seat. Not nothing too serious, too crazy. Just something give me a little bit of sound up in there. I'll give y'all a little bit more detail on it when I take it out the box, but let's go ahead and get situated. And it also comes with a bass remote right here, so you can control your bass on it. The speaker and the amp itself right here. I'll pull this out so y'all can see how the connects and hookups it got on it. Now this is the actual speaker right here itself. It's pretty slim too though, man. I know it'll fit right underneath the seat. It's fit good too. I want to try to mount it to the bottom of my seat, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna have to sit it on the floor. These are the hookups for it. These are the ports for it right here. Show you the other side. That's about it right there. These are all the ports and hookups for it right there. Oh yeah, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get behind the radio here just so we can start wiring up the amp. First thing we do is we're gonna pop this off right here. Then I'm gonna go around and start popping this front panel off right here, and it all just pours right out. Pop this down like this, that's all you need. We're not gonna worry about this bottom one here. Then we can just start popping off the top. And all this right here folds down just like that. Now in order to get behind here, we're going to take out the 6mm bolts. It should be 6 of them. We're going to take this one out, this out here, and this out here. Be one here, here, and here. 3 on this side, then 3 on the opposite side over here. 1, 2, and 3. That should slide right out. Fold this down, and I can get to my radio. I'm gonna start wiring everything up. So right here is the wiring kit that I'm gonna be using. Ordered this off Amazon, wasn't too much. What it comes with right here. I'm opening it up, show y'all what all is in here. So what's inside it right here? We got a ground wire. Look like we have a power wire. RC jacks, we have a remote cable here, and that's about it. This right here is the cover up our power wire going on the hood over there. Yeah, that's about it. All the connectors are actually inside the bag here. Connect to the end of the power wire, the hot wire, and all the rest of the wires. And there was another wire that I didn't see. It was a speaker wire. It's pretty cool. All right, ran both my RCA jacks and my remote wire. Just running behind the dash back here, coming out right here. Now I'm about to go ahead and run my power wire. My battery sits right here, so it should be easy to run right here. Meet up right here with my remote wire. RC jacks and run down the floorboard here. I think I'm just gonna put the speaker right underneath the chair right here. Won't have far to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and run all the wires. Be back up right here with the speaker. We'll be hooking it up here in a minute. All right, y'all, this is current setup right here. Just got to sit underneath the seats right here. If it fits on there perfect, I already tested it out, tried it out. Got the wires ran all the way over here. Got them hooked up. Just hooked up a ground wire. I found a ground wire under here that I can hook it up to. Then we just got to see if she'll turn on. I'm not going to test out the sound just yet. And if I turn the truck on, hold on, I'm gonna start her up right quick. Oh yeah, she got life. We got power. All right, y'all, and I'm gonna put everything back together. We'll do a sound check right quick after I put everything back together. All right, it's the final product. This is what you look like. You can't even really tell it unless you look underneath of it. You got it tucked away pretty good under there. We'll see what it sounded like right quick. Everything put back together. I don't know how good this y'all gonna hear it on the camera, but we'll check it out. I might have to play some of my music for y'all so I don't get copyright. Alright, play some of my music for y'all so it should sound like right quick.
This beat, P-Town Productions, banger. Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you already know by now.
I don't know if y'all can hear it, I can hear it, it don't sound bad though.
When you get it, seems like that's all you get. Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you already know.
That's perfect for the truck, man. That's perfect for the truck right there. Y'all see right here. Dirty out here in the snow right now, but we getting there. Y'all, that's be it right there, man. Do thank y'all for tuning in, man. This right here is the Silverado 1500 2009. Let's go.